We're outside. We can hear the fireworks, but we don't see them. So I don't know. That's Caitlin. Show them your tooth.
I lost it today on Mommy's birthday. It was her birthday present. I might get money and get her something with it for her birthday.
No, you don't have to do that.
Yes, I'm going to do it.
No, Hubby.
You got him, Hubby. That is so funny.
Say hi, hon.
Hi.
And Bright.
Mommy, you're funny because you said they're
Oh, I wish we can see them. There's our place up there. Where the lights are on. We're upstairs. You don't see them, though.
You can hear them.
I know.
I'm talking weird because I just lost my top tooth.
She's over there.
Yes, yes.
It feels weird. Mommy, look over there. You see?
I don't see anything, though. Maybe we'll drive down the road and see.
We should walk over there.
Alright, they're shooting them above our apartment, but I don't know if you guys will be able to see any. But I'm going to hold the camera, well, hold my phone camera, so you guys can hopefully see if there is one. But I'm in my car right now, so, because we're getting ready to go down the road and see if we see any, but come on, shoot some more. I don't know if they're going to or not. Wait impatiently. You can hear them over that way. I don't think they're going to shoot anymore. Let's just go down the road. Alright, we saw some over here. I don't know if you'll be able to see them or not. Come on, shoot more. What the heck? There it goes. That was a little one. I can't sit here long. I don't see any.
We have to go down a little more.
There they are. That's awesome. There's some. I'm going to pull in there.
It's so awesome when you see them up close.
I don't know if there's going to be any more. I'll pull over here. Wow. Awesome. Oh, cool.
Daddy,
It's okay, Caitlin.
I'm trying.
It's going to be loud because it's close.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna do that.
There's another one.
It's just so awesome.
Oh, cool.
They did shoot one
Oh,
here.
cool.
You know?
Uh-huh. I don't think it's against the law here. Sorry if it's loud, guys.
If it was, the cops would have done it.
Yeah. Oh, how would you do it at a gas station?
blow up.
Caitlin, I see you in the mirror.
Is my missing tooth?
Oh, cool. Oh, that's pretty.
One I've seen yet. Ain't that the prettiest one you've seen? Oh, that's a big. When they hit the
Smell them. Oh, cool. Oh, wow.
Ain't this your best birthday? It's so awesome to have your birthday for July.
That's it.